Hello all, welcome to Pamita AI World. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari. So in this video, I'll tell you the remaining part of data preprocessing, that is data discretization. I have left that part, data discretization. Data discretization. So what is data discretization? It transforms numeric data by mapping values to interval, fine, or labels. It can be used to reduce the number of values by dividing the range of the attribute or feature into intervals. What does all that means? It means if we'll take the simplest definition of that data discretization, which you all can understand. This is the complex definition I have given to you, which you can see in many videos, YouTube videos about data discretization. But if we'll see the simplest definition, which I'm gonna tell you is simplest definition here, which you can easily learn, is it is the process of converting continuous data into a data into a into a set of discrete intervals or categories, fine. It is the simplest definition of data discretization. Now comes why data discretization is used. Why it is used? It is used first to reduce complexity. How it reduce complexity? By simplifying the data. Now we'll see in this video only how it simplify the data and how it reduce the complexity. Number 2, by improving accuracy, fine, by improving accuracy. And how it improve accuracy? By reducing noise in the data sets. How it reduce noise in the data sets? We'll see that in this video only, fine. So why data discretization is used? For speeding up training. for speeding up training in the machine learning algorithm. Fine. So by reducing training time, by reducing training time, and third is speeding up training, how it does speed up training time, and second, reducing the impact of outliers in the model. So that is data discretization. So now in this way we can say that what is one drawback of data discretization? It is not drawback. To simplify the data, something we lose here, and we can say, however, drawback of data discretization. We should know the drawback also. It also results in information loss sometime. Why we are saying information loss? Because when we simplify the data from complex data, some data get lost, and we see that in next part when we see all this, when we solve the mathematical problem. So there are three different techniques used in data discretization by data scientists to smooth out the data. So what are these three simplest techniques? We'll see that. There are three techniques used to do data smoothing. Three simplest techniques used to do data smoothing. What are three different simplest techniques? Number 1, equal frequency bins. Number 3, bin means. Number 4, bin boundaries. Fine. How equal frequency bins used, technique used in data discretization? Now we'll take one example. Suppose in a general store there are 12 items, and those 12 items are of the price of these rupees, are in the price of rupees or dollar. Fine. So these items price are in rupees. I am writing here. So it is randomly given that data to the data scientist: 8, 16, 9, 15, 21, 21, 24, 30, 26, 27, 30, and 34. And that data comes to data scientist by that general store owner gave that data to the data scientist and asked data scientist to make one model, machine learning model or algorithm, so that the price of these items comes in ascending in a easiest way, so that they don't get confused. So it is a small task given to data scientists, or